today in Reader's Workshop, we're talking about predictions. We know that readers take clues from the text and make a smart guess about what will happen in the story. So, before you begin writing, you need to listen to the story as I've read it. And I get to the part where I stop right when the Easter Bunny asks us if he should let Skunk help him hide the eggs. So, you should have been listening to that story, and I want you to stop and think for a moment. What do you think is going to happen? Do you think the Easter Bunny will let the skunk be his assistant? Tell why or why not. So Mrs. Plowman went ahead and did the activity. I drew a picture here of the Easter Bunny and Skunk, and I made a word bubble here, and it says, no, thank you. And I thought that he would not let Skunk help him deliver the eggs because the skunk stinks. So, tomorrow I'll have to wait and find out if my prediction was right or wrong.